See, Refugee is a film. The character, in my mind, symbolized man, child. So for me, that child has no sense of borders, has no sense of country, doesn't have any sense of religion, or his identity is just purely of mankind.
सच पूछिए तो इस दुनिया में सभी इंसान रेफ्यूजी। पुजारी बाबा कहते हैं जिंदगी बस एक सफर है। सच्चा घर तो सबका एक ही है। मुझे मेरा घर और मुल्क तो मरने के बाद ही मिलेगा।
Refugee is a very normal, real person. So it's not that how can you fall in love with a person like refugee or something like that. There are people the way who think like that, and I don't think there's anything wrong in falling in love with somebody who doesn't know where he comes from or who his parents are. I don't think you judge somebody by that just to fall in love with them.
Refugee is more of a love story, and which has the Pakistani Rangers, the Indian BSF, the border that is Bangladesh, India, Pakistan as the backdrop of the film, giving it a lot more authenticity, giving it, the scope to do something which is definitely different and also meaningful.
It's very unusual from the rest of the films. It's not like a boy meet girl kind of a story. It's not a typical college romance. So you'll find the three youngsters of the film, Abhishek, Kareena and myself, we're not playing typical college characters. So that itself makes it a very novel experience.
Normally in every Hindi movie you see every girl wearing their usual good hep in western clothes, but here we have something that's totally different where she's like in salwar kameez, is absolutely simple, and because it's a very difficult look to create and it requires a lot of hard work and time over it, and which has just turned out great.
All locations which are almost 100 kilometers to 80 kilometers away from Bhuj city. And there being no place as such to stay or put up a unit of 300 people close to those locations, we had to drive down every day, almost 200 or more kilometers, and that was tough. But I must give full credit to all my actors and my unit. I think my technicians, my actors, they just bared with me with a smile. No one ever cribbed about the difficulties that we were facing traveling up and down, and generally I think they almost enjoyed the toughness of the making of the film.
तेरी एक झलक जो पाई है, एक मस्ती है जो छाई है, मुझे अपना कोई होश नहीं, पल भर को दिल खामोश नहीं, मेरे दिल में गूंजे यही सदा, मेरे दिल में गूंजे यही सदा, मेरे दिल में गूंजे यही सदा, जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला, 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 जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला।
बतौर अभिनेता जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रभावित करने वाली चीज़ मुझे लगी वो था ये लोकेशन रन का, क्योंकि एज एन एक्टर जब आप बॉम्बे में शूट कर रहे होते हैं या सेट पे शूट कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको फील करना होता है कि आप एक बंगलों में हैं, इसमें हैं। पर जब मैं यहाँ पे आया रन एरिया में मैंने देखा तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक एक्टर को जो भराव चाहिए होता है कि आप इस लोकेशन में रहते हैं, यहीं पे आप का कैरेक्टर रहता है, बीओपी में आप इनेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, तो एक बहुत बड़ा हेल्प आपको मिलता है।
Because of border, you know, BSF was more than nice to me. I mean, they allowed me to shoot at places which has not been inhabited by the civilians at all, but by the armed forces. And that is one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this film was the backdrop of the film. That is the great run of Kutch, as we call it. It's a marvel of nature. It's almost awesome when you look at it. It's something which every, I think, Indian should visit it once to see the expanse of salt desert, as I would put it. It's a salt desert which spreads through miles and miles, and it ends where the Pakistan border begins. So on both sides, this desert just keeps, just keeps going on, and there is not a blade of grass on that. And in that area, and in that sort of a terrain, we have these BOPs, as we call the border outposts, where these BSF men, 5, 6 of them, 10 of them, actually guarding our borders.
Abhishek is, yes, he's more than brilliant. He is more. I just want to say one thing about Abhishek, that he is a gift to this industry by Mr. J.P. Datta. He is a gift that is being offered to this industry by him. And he is just undoubtedly the best.
Kareena as a co-artist, well, for starters, I've known Kareena since she was a kid because we've been family friends. Working with her was just a pleasure. Through the course of the film, I've noticed that we've learned to understand the way each other works, and I think we complement each other perfectly. It's literally, I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better co-artist. She's absolutely great.
We've got Abhishek Bachchan and Kareena, and I think they're the absolute highlights of the film. I think they're absolutely stunning, both of them.
ये कम्बक बॉर्डर क्यों हमारा दुश्मन हो रहा है? इसे मिटा नहीं सकते हम?
ये तुम्हारी स्कूल की कॉपी में कोई खींची हुई लकीर है जिसे रबड़ के साथ मिटा दोगी?
And Naz and Refugee, or Abhishek Bachchan or Kareena Kapoor, both are playing characters which believe in that, which believe in the very thought that what is important is to be a good human being, more than being an Indian or a Pakistani or an American or a Russian. I would say Kulbhushan Kharbanda and Abhishek Bachchan, both are like my mouthpiece. They're the director's mouthpiece, as you would say.
कोई हमें बांग्लादेशी समझता है, कोई पाकिस्तानी तो कोई हिंदुस्तानी, इंसान कोई नहीं समझता। मैं पूछता रिफ्यूजी होना गुनाह है क्या?
He's never shouted at us, anyone on the set, and has never behaved in a way which would lead us to call him a tyrant of anything. Perfectionist, yes, he definitely is. But it's a pleasure because you have this confidence in you. He bestows this confidence in you that he's going to get the best out of you. And he's not going to leave you until he's satisfied with what he's got. And for me especially, that really helped me because I knew I have a person here who's not going to compromise with me in any way.
Please, he's not a tyrant, he's a perfectionist, but he is definitely not a tyrant. This I would like to yell out to everybody and say that he is not a tyrant because he is just the most patient human being where work is concerned or where anything else is concerned. He's so patient, he's so tolerant and controlled and everything. He's not a tyrant, and please, I wouldn't want to say that.
As far as JP Saab is concerned, I'm really, really grateful that I've got this chance, by God's grace, to work with him, mashallah. He's not just been my director, he's also been a father figure to me. And I'm really, really grateful to him for giving me this break. For one thing, when I met him for the first time, he said, don't ask me the script. He said, I will not tell you anything about the script. He says, you want to work with me, work with me on trust. Don't work with me otherwise. That was made very clear. And then as we started working, I realized that this is a very good style because I feel that since you don't know what's going to happen, when you face the camera and when you come to know, you're at your natural best. So when you're performing really naturally. It's not rehearsed. It looks very, very natural, and that adds to the entire look of the film.
लेकिन मुझे एक बात बताओ, जब मेरे भतीजे पैदा होंगे, तुम उनका नाम क्या रखोगे?
नाम रिफ्यूजी।
बतौर अभिनेता आप अपना चरित्रीकरण कर रहे होते हैं, कैरेक्टराइजेशन कर रहे होते हैं, पर जेपी साहब का जो कैमरा प्लेसिंग होता है वो भी आपके कैरेक्टराइजेशन में मदद करता है। आपके कैरेक्टर को एक नया आयाम, एक नया रंग दे रहा होता है। बस आपकी ज़रूरत एक अभिनेता के तौर पर मुझे लगती है कि आप फील कर रहे हो कि जेपी साहब ने कहाँ प्लेसिंग की है, कहाँ पे आपको नए आयाम मिलने वाले हैं। मैं खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि मैं इस देश के एक सबसे अच्छे तकनीशियन के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, जेपी साहब के साथ, और एक अभिनेता के लिए इससे बड़ी उपलब्धि और कोई नहीं हो सकती है।
This is genuinely a different film for a change, because here you have you're working with a maestro. I wouldn't use the word director for JP because that would be demeaning him. Because there are a lot of directors I've worked with who are photographers, directors, and I had a great time working with him. But with JP, he is a filmmaker.
The film songs are actually the part of the narrative, and at different junctures of the script, the director and the writer create a situation for a song, and the song, a competent song, should be good aesthetically, poetically, but at the same time should take the story or the narrative forward too. So obviously if the situations are different, the demand from the song becomes different, and you are given an opportunity, a chance to write a different kind of a song.
This music would not have seen the light of day if Mr. J.P. Datta had not accepted these tunes. For example, songs like Mere Humsafar or Aisa Lagta Hai, on the harmonium, they are very soft, melodic tunes. He could have rejected them, but he said, no, this is what I want. I believe if you can't hum your song, the song does not work. I succeeded with Border, and God has helped me to succeed with Refugee.
धड़कता सांसें क्यों रुकती नींदें मेरी क्यों उड़ जाती
ऐसा लगता है जो ना हुआ होने को
I'm very happy to note that the film music is doing extremely well and it is highly appreciated. But which song becomes the favorite? It is for others to decide, not for me.
की हथेली पर चांद जगमगाता है, उसकी नर्म किरणों में तुमको देखता हूँ तो दिल धड़क सा जाता है, दिल धड़क सा जाता है। रात की हथेली पर चांद जगमगाता है।
The best song which I liked doing, I think, was Mere Humsafar. It's a wedding song. It's my wedding song. Because I think I love the lyrics of the song because they mean so much to me, and I think a normal person could identify with it. So it's the best song that I've liked performing as an actress.
Millennium, ladies and gentlemen, we have made a lot of progress on all fronts. I hear that they are going to clone a human being also. They have dissected, analyzed, discovered human body, its chemical composition, organic composition. But I wonder if anybody has ever tried to find out what the soul is made of. But between you and me, I have found out. It is made of music.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a wonderful evening. आज म्यूजिक रिलीज है। मैं आपको कहानी नहीं बता सकता रेफ्यूजी की, लेकिन आज मैं आप लोगों को वहां ले जा सकता हूं जहां आप लोग देखें कि ये फिल्म कहां शूट की गई, फिल्म में कौन लोग थे।
O.P. Datta, J.P. Datta, Abhishek Bachchan, Kareena Kapoor, Refugee. I won't call it a film. I'll say this is cinema.
Refugee music is born because of the confidence J.P. Datta Sahab has had in me and Javed Sahab's lyrics. I don't want to say anything else. I am overwhelmed with the equation. I'm just praying to God that the music does as well as Border and surpass.
ऊँट ने बड़ा परेशान कर रखा था थोड़ा पागल हो जाता उठनी थी. If she had gone a little mad, I would be in Karachi. Anyway, it was a pleasure, and wish everybody all the best. Abhishek, you're good. Kareena, you legendary. And the BSF guys who are still out there, well, it's for you.
Refugee is a perfect example of a family effort put together by each and everybody standing here and all the innumerable unit members, and they've actually made this movie happen. And although it's a big night for us, it's a big night for everybody, because believe me, this is the first time we've seen anything of this movie. And it's a big moment, and it's not only for us, but all of us over here, all the artists and technicians. If it wasn't for them and the team effort that they put through, I don't think we'd be standing here today at all.
कुछ अजीब सा एहसास हुआ था जब ये फिल्म शुरू हुई और जब मैंने इन बच्चों को देखा तो कितनी यादें जहन में आईं. मुझे वो दिन याद आया जब मैंने पहली दफ़ा अमिताभ बच्चन साहब को जंजीर सुनाई थी. मुझे वो दिन याद आया जब मैंने डब्बू को हाथ की सफाई की स्क्रिप्ट उसके घर पे सुनाई थी. मुझे याद आया कि हम जया जी के पास गए थे कि वो जंजीर में रोल कर लें. जाहिर है कि वो रोल कुछ उनकी शान के मुताबिक नहीं था और हमने बड़ी मेहनत से कुछ बढ़ा चढ़ा के सुनाया और लगा कि बहरहाल ठीक है, मे बी शी इज़ अ सक्सेसफुल स्टार, लेकिन अभी तो नई नई बच्ची है तो धोखा खा जाएगी. और वो हमें बाहर छोड़ने तक आई और जब सीढ़ी पे हम पहुँचे तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने बेकार इतनी मेहनत की, अमित जी हैं तो ये पिक्चर में वैसे भी कर देते. कितनी बातें, कितने लम्हे, कितने मौके, कितनी फिल्में याद आईं और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नाम बदल जाते हैं, चेहरे बदल जाते हैं, ज़िंदगी चलती रहती है. मुझे शैलेंद्र का गीत का एक मिसरा याद आया, हम न रहेंगे तुम न रहोगे लेकिन रहेंगी कहानियाँ.
It's quite a moment, and I don't know where to start from. Let me start with the fact that the two families, the Bachchans and the Kapoors, they gave me one hell of a pressure in trying to make this film, for the simple reason that they had blind faith in me. And when you have blind faith in somebody, responsibility becomes absolutely impossible. But in my own way, whatever I could, I think I have tried my best, and I hope with the help of God, we'll be able to make it to the post. Of course, not to the border outpost, but to the box office post.
We have in one box a set of cassettes, the other box set of CDs, and I would request Amit ji and Jaya ji to release one box and the other obviously by Dabbu Saab.
मैं प्रोमोज देखता हूँ टीवी पे. मैं रोज़ सुबह उठ के साईं बाबा के सामने एक अगरबत्ती रिफ्यूजी के नाम पे लगाता हूँ कि फिल्म मिसाल कायम करे.
मैं सिर्फ आप लोगों से ये कहूँगी, मेरी तरफ से गुड विशेस करीना के लिए, अभिषेक के लिए, शादाब के लिए, and I pray to God that they should be successful.
भी मिली, जो चीज इन्होंने पाई है पानी पर लिखी लिखाई है। इस झूठी शानो शौकत से मुझे लेना क्या, मुझे मतलब क्या। मेरे दिल में गूंजे यही सदा, जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला, जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला, जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला, जिसे तू न मिला उसे कुछ न मिला। हाँ, तू